Hi everyone. So today I'm going to explain about how to set up and create a GitHub account using Gmail. So I prepared a one documentation how to set up a GitHub account, create a new repository, and how to set up GitHub locally using SCM is a software we need to install, and also how to clone that repository. All those things I have documented properly. So let's start creating that account. Okay, so we need to navigate a GitHub account and we need to provide that email address, username, and completion of the uh, verification email. So that way we can create. So let's do the practice on that. So go to the github.com website, click on the sign up button. So it will say that welcome to GitHub, and there will be a uh, email address which we need to enter, which we have our Gmail account email address need to be entered, and click on continue. So provide that password. So with password standards as we need to follow, the password should be like a strong, which we expect this GitHub. Then click on continue. So here we need to provide that username. So which I am providing QA Sasra, and then we can click on that continue button. Yes, it is verifying the account. So click on the verify account. So what it does is it will send that email, and it will yeah. So there is a kind of image direction which we need to follow. Okay, so change the directions, how the hand symbol is there. Okay, yeah, so it is suitable. Second check, verification check, how the hand symbol is there. So we rotate that image, submit it, verifying your account. So now we need a we will receive that OTP to that email address. So navigate to the email address and copy the OTP and paste the OTP. So after pasting automatically, yeah, copy and paste. Paste is there, automatically this screen will come. Okay, just enter that QSR and password. So once you enter this password, right, it will take you like a dashboard page of your profile. Yes, so it is a welcome page which we received, and here you see like describe yourself, like okay, working as a developer, and my team is like 5 to 10 members. Then click on continue and start a new project. So I decided to start a new project. Yeah, click on continue, where we can see that there is a kind of two sections, so free version and paid versions. So free version has some limitations, and paid version has some uh, purchase money. So I choose that free version. So now it is navigated to the dashboard page of your profile. So you can click on the profile, you can see your name and other options, sign out, and on the left hand side you can see the dashboard page, and created your first project, right? And and also you can see that various but options like yes, here also we can see that repository name, public or private, and also we have a readme file, you can also create it, and some other setups are there. So now we decided to create a new repository. So let's so now we are going to create a new repository. So providing that repository name is a first project. So and also it is automatically checking that whether that name is available or not. So it is available. So then you can choose a public or private. So public means you can see that everywhere anybody can see in the internet, and click on that create a new repository. So after that we can see this kind of in dialog. So project name, the first project which we created, which we gave the name, and there are two sections here: create a new repository and command line. So these are the command which we need to follow, and another one is the push on a repository from the command line. So by using this below are the commands. and also we can see the GitHub link, so that where we can set up our local. Okay, copy that clone command and go to this local. So for local setup, what we need required, so we required a local setup, git local setup, we required a git sem. Yes, git sem. So this local setup, we need to install the git sem. So this is a link where we can download and install, then we can clone the project. So let's get installed. Copy the link, paste it into, okay, copy the link and paste it into Chrome. So there the GitHub page is home page is open, and so where we can see that installation download for Windows. Yeah, click that link and based on your window configuration, so you can download that particular exe. So it will take some time. I will make it pause. Yeah. So after downloading, click on the double click. So it will install that. So let me click on the window. Yeah. So click on the window. It is the installation is in progress. It will take a pause. It will take some time. Yeah. After successful install, right? Check launch the git bash. Click on OK. So now you can see that git bash is open, and first of all we can check that pwd present working directory. So it is C user Nageshwar, right? So now what we need to do is we need to create a one directory called my git. So mkdir is the command, and the directory name is my git. So now you can check that. Yeah, navigate to the my git folder, and you can check the verify the pwd command. So currently we are in the my git folder. So what we need to do is we need to create a new repository by using the command line. So just we created a project name only, and also we created one git my git folder. So from there we can create a new project. Okay, so first of all we navigate to the my git folder, and in this folder where we can perform all the creating a new repository steps. Okay, that is like a git init for initializing your repository. Okay, git init means initializing the repository. Just I'm showing you. So from where on the folder level also we can open git bash. So directly we are in the folder and just opening the things. Okay, pwd, check that, and perform the remaining commands. The first command is git initialization. So what it does it will create a one git folder in repository. Yeah, you see .git folder is created, which means git is installed, initialized. So then after we need to add the readme.md file. So let perform. It says that throw the error because the file does not exist. So git add in the sense we are adding a file. So the file name is readme.md. So which is not there, but we are forcefully adding. So this file is not exist. So to do that we need to create a file. Name is readme.emd. So any name, any file you can create it. Just I'm example by the commands I'm following that, and I'm creating a readme.emd file, and it is 0 KB, which is blank. Now even after we can add that. So git add the file name. So file name, single file name we are adding. Okay, so add it. So it will add automatically. So then we can commit, git commit, and -m is a message and the first comment. So now you see that there is a one file is added something or inserted something. So git branch -m is a main branch. Okay, so we are creating a main branch, and we are associating to our git repository origin as our URL. So where it is a first project. Okay, now we are pushing the change. Till now the change is in our local. Now we are pushing to main repository. So what does mean is, after pushing, I'll tell you that. Okay, so it will ask that login. Very first time it will ask that git connect to GitHub or signing. So you can use that your signing browser which is already logged in, right? So it will click on that and it will redirect to authorized Git credential manager. So you can click that button, authorized Git ecosystem. So then automatically it will be check that. Okay, the push is happened. Yeah, click it. Yes, the process is done. You can check in that. Yeah, 100%. Yeah, objects are uploaded 100%. Okay, the actions has been done. Git push has completed. Okay, so what command? The push origin main. So we are pushing our code, add a readme file. That file is added. So now we can go and check that, reload this project and see that readme file is added or not. So readme file is added and you see the first comment as well. Okay, initially I told you, right, it is a nothing is there in that file. So now we can add the comment. This is test project. Okay, let me add a few more lines. Okay, so now we can push the change. Right now we have done the change. So earlier it is 0 KB, now it is 1 KB. Now we are going to add this file. What we need to do? We need to perform again git add dot in the sense all files which is existing one file, and command. So you can give the second command, git comment, and comment is second command, and git push origin main. So we are pushing the change. So it has, yeah, it push is completed. Okay, 100% objects are uploaded. Now you can check that, reload the page, and you can see that, yeah, readme file is content is uploaded. So the push has been reflected to the remote repository as well. So this is the way where we can create and set up your account for local to remote. Okay, thank you all.